Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Steam app or website and signing in. Do this now so nothing stalls the flow. Once signed in, make sure your account country matches the gift card's region because Steam enforces regional activation. You should have the 16-character code visible or the physical card ready to scan. Next, navigate to your account name menu and choose Redeem a Steam gift card to begin adding the credit to your wallet. You'll now enter the code. Click Store, then redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Type the 16-character code exactly as printed. Once done, click Continue so Steam can validate and apply the funds. If Steam accepts it, you'll see a confirmation and your Steam wallet balance will update immediately. If you plan to buy a game, select the purchase and choose wallet funds at checkout. Make sure to review tax or regional price differences before finalizing. You complete the process by choosing the game or item and selecting Steam Wallet as your payment method. Once chosen, confirm the purchase and the wallet funds will be deducted. If your wallet lacks enough, you can combine it with another payment method. Steam supports partial payments. If the code doesn't work, don't panic. Make sure you entered it exactly, verify the card was activated at purchase, and confirm the region matches your account. If problems persist, contact Steam support with the card details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.